Welcome to the Rotten Potatoes, a social movie review and information platform. This project is brought to you by Team 22 with Jenna Fajardo, Yoon Soo, and Jeffrey Skinner. So imagine you just watched some new movie for the first time, and you want to know what others thought about it. Or maybe you saw some obscure indie film and forgot the title. Either way, you probably didn't stick around for the end credits and don't know about the cast members' names. But that's fine, because using Rotten Potatoes, you can make search queries inclusive of arbitrary attributes, including the characters' names in the film you're looking for. I recall a character named Jack something, so go ahead and search Jack into this database. Oh, I'm pretty sure it was this movie, Pirates of the Caribbean, Curse of the Black Pearl. Let's go ahead and click on it. As you can see, we get Pirates of the Caribbean, which is appropriate. And, yep, the guy's name is Jack Sparrow. So, right off the start, we have access to everything a normal user would have except for the ability to rate and comment on films. That's because we need to create an account. But for now we have access to, the movie name, the average rating, the description, cast members, and even we can see the comments and reviews. 2 out of 5 stars, 4 out of 5, 2 out of 5. And this is good because it doesn't deter users that, maybe on other websites they would need to actually create an account before even being able to view this information. So we make this visible to anyone, regardless if they have an account or not. But let's get started by creating an account. So let's go over to sign in and create an account. So let's go ahead and use some credentials. Block3, f@j.gy, and let's do some password. And, well, it turns out our email is already in use, which is good. I already have an account. So let's go ahead and sign in instead. And just like that, we are signed in. And as you can see here, we have a new button on the Rotten Potatoes page. This is the user profile button. And on this page, we can actually change our handle as well as our password, or even delete our account if we wanted to. And deleting the account will appropriately delete your records from the database in case you want to redact your data. So let's actually go back to Pirates of the Caribbean. And another thing to note here is that you can rate the movie, add it to your watch or watched list from this search page instead of going to the movie page directly. So if I were to click on this and say, 4 stars, submit. And let's go ahead and check it out here. It shows us 4 stars. So let's go ahead and write a review now. Arg, matey. And as you can see here, it shows. And I can delete or even edit the comment. I can even change the rating. Say matey, and just spam this in here and submit. And now it's still here, and it's 1 stars. Let's go ahead and delete this comment. It's kind of low quality. Alright, so what else does Rotten Potatoes have to offer? So I did mention this watch and watched list. And basically a watch list is the things you want to watch, whereas the watched list is what you have watched. And I have seen this movie. I'll go ahead and add it here. Let's go over to the watch list tabs so we can see I did indeed add it. And if I add it to the watch list, it's going to be both of them. What I want to watch and what I have watched. Get rid of it here. Let's get rid of it on both. Now we have nothing here anymore. So what else does Rotten Potatoes have to offer? On the home page, we immediately have access to categories like, just like most watched movies this week. and even the newest movie. And even down here you can discover new movies. So this information is actually accurate according to our database. It's not just arbitrary. And we can even check out other things like categories: action, adventure, animation. I like animation, so here are just a few of our animation movies. Let's also check out drama. And as you can see, these are definitely appropriately categorized by genre. And maybe musical. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. Alright, so we also have the ranking tabs, which shows the top 5 best rated movies, the top 5 most reviewed movies, which actually shows appropriately. We go ahead and check out Paris, Texas. We do have 6 reviews on here, which in our database, this would be the most reviewed movie. Great. I hope you enjoyed watching how Rotten Potatoes works and hope you may try it out for yourselves. Happy rating. Thank you.